Hello and welcome to Universal Grip. Today we are showing the ASTM E190 or E290 bend fixture. So this bend fixture is used for testing steels and bending them a full 180 degrees. So we have interchangeable loading noses here, or plungers. So this has a radius of 19 millimeters, and then that matches up with the diameter of these rollers here. So you can see these roll and slide. So you would put your big piece of steel right here and then push down with the plunger. So I have it partially disassembled because I'm about to ship it to a customer, but you can see the supports. Everything's interchangeable if you want different diameter, different radius supports, and then it goes onto the base bending bar. We have this alignment groove right here on this side too, right there, and then also your gauges. So here you can measure where exactly you want the supports to be, and then this all mounts onto a universal testing machine. So this can also cover ASTM A370, and then there's just a myriad of other bend testing standards that this also meets, really just depending on your sample size and the diameter or radius of all of your supports. We also have this nice retaining bridge here. So this makes sure that it's completely solid, nothing moves. So this is an all A6 tool steel, very strong, also not very susceptible to rust. We do a finish on it. So if you have any questions on this fixture, you can visit us at universalgripco.com. This fixture can fit onto any other universal testing machine, so it's compatible with all major brands. And then most importantly, we have this in stock. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.